Hello friends, this is Chavi and you are watching our official YouTube channel Adda 247. So friends, in this live session, I am going to discuss a very interesting and important topic, that is white label ATM. So friends, as we know that ATMs have made life of a common man very easy. We need not to go to a bank and just fill a form and other formalities. By just swiping a card, we can easily withdraw our cash. So we can deposit our cash also by using these ATMs. So before going to explain the concept of white label ATM, I would like to ask a question that how many types of ATMs are running in India at present? Yes. My question is that how many types of ATMs are running in India at present? I'm waiting for your comment. I'm waiting for your answer. How many types of ATMs are running in India? Like 4 types of ATM, 6 types of ATMs. We all know that ATM stands for automated teller machine. Many times students make mistake that ATM stands for automatic teller machine or all time money. How many types of ATMs are running in India at present? Like white label ATM is a type of ATM in India. No, 2 types. Rakesh Trivedi has given wrong answer that 2 types of ATMs are running in India. No, 4 types wrong. No, 4 types wrong. Sharmila has given wrong answer. 4 types ATMs are running in India. No, Bhavika, you are also wrong. Yeah, I can see the name. Vikas has given right answer and Dhananjay has given right answer that 3 types of ATMs are running in India. Yes, let's see the types of ATMs in India. First is bank owned ATM. Second one is brown label ATM. And third one is white label ATM. So let's see what is bank owned ATM here. As guys name indicates, bank owned ATMs are the ATMs in which no third party is involved with bank. These are the ATMs owned by bank only. All the expenses like CCTV camera expenses, network connectivity, rent of space, all the expenses are borne by bank only. That is why these ATMs are known as bank owned ATM. So you will see the logo of sponsor bank in these types of ATM. You can see the image on your screen that 3 types of ATMs are available on your screen. 3 types of ATMs you can see on your screen, and first is bank owned ATM. Yes. ICICI logo you can see, Punjab National Bank logo you can see, Tata ATM logo you can see. But I'm talking about bank owned ATM. If our ATM is run by ICICI, then you will find the logo of ICICI over there. If ATM is run by Punjab National Bank, then you will find the logo of PNB over there. So these are the pure bank owned ATM. No expenses bear by other party or other company, these types of ATM. RBI grants the permission to open these ATMs under Payment and Settlement Act 2007. Yes, Payment and Settlement Act 2007 के अंतर्गत ही ये ATM खोले जाते हैं और RBI इन्हें ओपन करने का परमिशन देता है. अगर बात करें, let's see what is brown label ATM. So friends, these are the special featured ATM in which all other expenses like electricity bill, installation charges and rent of space and CCTV camera expenses, all the expenses are borne by other party. But you cannot differentiate between bank owned ATM and brown label ATM. If sponsor bank is ICICI in brown label ATM, then you will find the logo of ICICI over there. if sponsor bank in bank owned ATM is PNB, then you will find the logo of PNB, means Punjab National Bank over there. So you can deposit your cash by using these both types of ATM. So this is the cost effective solution for banks. That is why these are known as brown label ATM. So next come to the let's come to the next point, that is next topic, white label ATM. Friends, name indicates white means you can say nil. Label means logo, or you can say emblem, or you can say symbol or sign of bank, and ATM. So these are the special ATMs in which you will not find any logo, any emblem or any symbol of bank. That is why these are known as white label ATM, because logo of bank will not be there. So let's see the features of these white label ATM. So friends, if we talk about the numbers of ATMs running in India at present, so around 2 lakhs ATMs are running in India. So these numbers are very less. We want, or in our nation want, more numbers of ATM. That is why RBI gave the permission to open white label ATM in 2014. Yes, RBI gave the permission to NBFCs in 2014 to open white label ATMs in India. I would like to ask a question to you, that what the full form of NBFC here? What do you mean by NBFC? I am just asking the full form of NBFC, because RBI granted the permission to open such white label ATMs under Payment and Settlement Act 2007, and in the year was 2014. To these NBFCs, what was the full form of NBFC? I am waiting for your answer. Fast. What is the full form of NBFC? Yes, Praveen Nayak, non-banking financial corporates. No, non-banking financial companies. Yes, Pranav have given right answer, that NBFC stands for non-banking financial company. Yes, these are the companies registered under Companies Act 1956. Or we can say New Company Act came, Company Act 2013. So these are the companies, these are the non-banking entities, or we can say these are the non-banking financial company to which RBI granted the permission to open such white label ATMs in India. So in first lot, RBI gave the permission to open such ATMs to 4 companies like Tata Communication Payment Solution Limited, Muthoot Finance. Muthoot Finance is not a name of bank, is a company registered under Company Act and accept gold from the public and provide loans on behalf of gold. So RBI gave the permission to these companies like Tata Communication Payment Solution Limited, Muthoot Finance and Vakirangi and Prism Solution. So which was the first company got the permission to open, got the license to open such white label ATM in India? Yes, the name of the company got the permission to open such white label ATMs in India. I am asking the name of that company got the permission to open such white label ATMs in India. I have given 4 options to you. I am asking the name of that company which got the permission to open such white label ATMs in India from RBI. Tata. Kotak Mahindra. No, Kotak Mahindra was not the first company to open such white label ATM in India. Vijayakant has asked a question that why need to open these ATMs in India. I will answer this question, but I am just I just want that which was the first company in India to open. Yes, Tata Communication. The full form was Tata Communication Payment Solution Limited. Tata Communication Payment Solution Limited was the first company to open such white label ATMs, such special featured ATMs in India. So, where Tata opened such white label ATM in India. Actually, Tata started its first white label ATM under the brand name of IndiCash. Yes, name is very important, that IndiCash. Name of first white label ATM. Tata started its own chain under this brand name, that is IndiCash. So, where it was opened? In India first. Yes, I'm just asking the district name or city name where Tata started its own first white label ATM in India. Yes. Jaipur, no, Jaipur is wrong answer. District, city. Mumbai, wrong answer. Delhi, wrong answer. Karishma has asked that, ma'am, only non-banking financial companies can open the white label ATMs. Yes, banks are not allowed to open such white label ATMs. These are owned by NBFCs, means non-banking entities. मतलब जो बैंक नहीं है सिर्फ वही कंपनी white label ATMs को खोल सकती है. अगर बात करें तो बहुत ज़्यादा कॉस्ट आता है बैंक को white label ATM खोलने का. इसीलिए अगर बात करते हैं ब्राउन लेवल ATM की, तो ब्राउन लेवल ATM ऐसे ही होते हैं जिसमें हार्डवेयर का जो पूरा कॉस्ट है वो थर्ड पार्टी बेयर करती है, और जो सॉफ्टवेयर और कैश नेटवर्क जो फैसिलिटी है, कैश मैनेजमेंट एंड नेटवर्क फैसिलिटी है, वो बैंक के थ्रू ही प्रोवाइड किया जाता है. Yes, Bangalore is not correct answer. Pune not correct answer. Gujarat not correct answer. Pune again wrong. Hyderabad not correct answer. Bangalore no. Goa no. Thane, yes. Ayushi has given the right answer that Thane was the first district where white label ATM was opened by Tata Communication Payment Solution Limited under the brand name of IndiCash. अगर बात करें और भी कंपनीज को लाइसेंस दिया गया था आरबीआई ने अंडर दिस एक्ट, पेमेंट एंड सॉल्यूशन एक्ट 2017. अब लगभग 15 कंपनीज को ऐसे एटीएम्स का लाइसेंस आरबीआई प्रोवाइड कर चुके हैं. अगर बात करें, इफ वी टॉक अबाउट एफडीआई, दैट इज फॉरेन डायरेक्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट, वी कैन सी दैट इट इन इंश्योरेंस सेक्टर इट इज 49. We can see in public sector bank it is 20%, in defense sector it is 100%. So what is the limit of foreign direct investment under white label ATM? Yes, I'm asking the limit of FDI under white label ATM. Yes, you can see an image on your screen that in different sector, different FDI is allowed. You can see image of FDI, of foreign direct investment under different sectors. In Korean sector, you can see an image on your screen. 90% no, 90% is wrong answer. I'm asking the limit of FDI under white label ATM. You can see the image on your screen. In different sector. Yes, 100% is right answer. Saurabh and Ravish, Sanjay, all you have given the right answer that 100% FDI is allowed under white label ATM. So a foreign company can invest up to 100% under white label ATMs in India. अगर बात करते हैं, हमने कहा कि ठाणे सबसे पहला सिटी था या डिस्ट्रिक्ट था जहाँ पे पहले वाइट लेबल एटीएम को ओपन किया गया था. ठाणे में इसलिए किया गया था क्योंकि ठाणे इज द मोस्ट अर्बन पॉपुलस डिस्ट्रिक्ट और सिटी इन इंडिया. दैट्स व्हाई टाटा कम्युनिकेशन और टाटा स्टार्टेड इट्स फर्स्ट वाइट लेबल एटीएम इन ठाणे डिस्ट्रिक्ट. अगर बात करते हैं और कंसेप्ट की वाइट लेबल एटीएम के बारे में, so cash withdrawal facility you can avail through these white label ATM, but cash deposit facility you will not provided by these white label ATMs. So guys, this was all about white label ATM. So you can leave your comment and question. I would like to answer all your queries and question. Thank you.